The Leisure Wonder is a stylish and luxurious Class C motorhome built on a Ford Transit chassis, designed for travelers who want comfort and modern living on the go. Its sleek exterior gives it a premium look, while the inside feels just like home. Step in, and you'll find a cozy lounge area with soft seating, a fully equipped kitchen with high-quality appliances, and a comfortable sleeping space for a peaceful night's rest. The bathroom is compact yet elegant, offering everything you need to freshen up after a long drive. With its advanced features, like a built-in Wi-Fi extender, powerful generator, and smart storage compartments, the Wonder ensures a hassle-free experience no matter where your journey takes you. Whether you're driving through scenic highways, camping in the mountains, or enjoying a weekend getaway, this RV combines practicality with style. Its smooth performance, luxurious design, and clever use of space make the Leisure Wonder perfect for anyone who loves freedom, comfort, and adventure, all wrapped up in one elegant vehicle that truly lives up to its name. The Lightship L1 is a modern all-electric travel trailer built for a new era of adventure. Designed for people who love exploring nature without harming it, this trailer runs entirely on clean electric power. It comes with a powerful 80 kilowatt hours battery and solar panels on the roof, giving you enough energy to power appliances, lights, and even charge other devices while off-grid. What makes the L1 truly special is its aerodynamic design, which makes it about 3 times more efficient than regular trailers. It also has a dual mode system. While driving, it stays compact and low to reduce drag, but when parked, it expands into a spacious, full-height living area with huge windows and modern interiors. Inside, you'll find everything from a cozy bedroom and sleek kitchen to smart storage spaces and all-electric equipment. Living Vehicle HD30. The Living Vehicle HD30 is a stunning luxury travel trailer built for people who want to live freely and comfortably anywhere. Designed for off-grid adventures, it combines modern technology with sustainable living. Made from strong, high-quality materials, the HD30 offers a roomy interior that feels just like a modern home. Inside, there's a cozy living space, a full kitchen with premium appliances, a queen-size bedroom, and a sleek bathroom, all created to make life on the road both easy and enjoyable. What makes it special is its ability to live completely off the grid. It features powerful solar panels, large water storage, and an energy system that lets you stay independent for long periods without needing hookups. The Maverick Vinales MV12 is a next-level luxury motorhome built by Rioja Singular Vehicles, combining high-end comfort with futuristic technology. Its most amazing feature is a hydraulic roof system that transforms it into a 2-story home on wheels, giving you double the space to relax and enjoy. Inside, the design is all about elegance and comfort, featuring a luxurious master bedroom, a spa-style bathroom, a cozy guest bedroom with its own TV, and even a special children's room, making it perfect for families. The upper floor adds extra living space where you can unwind, entertain guests, or enjoy the view wherever you park. Every inch of this RV is packed with premium features, including multiple smart TVs, a powerful sound system, and clever storage compartments for all your essentials. Built for those who want to explore without leaving luxury behind, the Maverick Vinales MV12 delivers the ultimate road experience. The Maxus V90 Villa Edition is a stunning luxury camper van that turns traveling into a 5-star experience. It's designed for people who love exploring but don't want to sacrifice comfort or style. What makes it truly special is its unique 2-story design. Once parked, the van expands to reveal a spacious upper level that can be reached by a small elevator. This area features a beautiful glass-enclosed sunroom with wide panoramic views, perfect for relaxing, enjoying nature, or watching the sunset. The lower level feels like a modern apartment, offering a cozy lounge area, a stylish and fully equipped kitchen, and a comfortable bedroom that provides all the comforts of home. Every inch of the interior is built with elegance and advanced technology, ensuring luxury and convenience wherever you go. Whether you're camping in the wilderness or parked by the sea, the Maxus V90 Villa Edition gives you a luxurious space to unwind. With its sleek design, innovative features, and high-end amenities, it truly redefines what it means to live on the road, blending adventure, comfort, and modern style into one unforgettable experience. The Movable Roots custom tiny home is a stunning handcrafted house that brings luxury and comfort into a compact design. Measuring 38 feet long and 8.6 feet wide, this tiny home offers about 450 square feet of smartly designed living space, including a cozy loft. As you step inside, you're welcomed by an elevated living room, perfect for relaxing, watching TV, or spending quality time with family. Beneath the raised floor lies 48 square feet of pass-through storage accessible from outside, great for storing bikes, tools, or camping gear. The kitchen is built for those who love cooking, featuring 10 feet of countertop space, a 3-burner gas stove, an oven, and a dishwasher for effortless cleaning. The loft area provides a comfy spot for a queen-size bed, while the bathroom below includes a soaking tub, standard flush toilet, washer-dryer combo, and a wall heater to keep you warm during cold days. Every inch of this home is designed for function and comfort, offering a balance between elegance and practicality. With its beautiful craftsmanship and clever use of space, the Movable Roots tiny home is perfect for modern minimalists who value style, simplicity, and freedom. The Polydrop's P17X Explorer is a next-level teardrop camper made for people who love going off the beaten path. Built for real adventure, it can handle rough roads and rocky trails with ease, thanks to its 29-inch all-terrain tires, independent suspension, and tough rock armor protection. What makes it even more amazing is that it's fully electric, so you can explore the outdoors while being kind to the environment. Inside, you'll find a warm, weatherproof cabin designed for all seasons, complete with a soft bed and an optional full kitchen setup. With powerful lithium batteries and solar panels, the P17X lets you live off the grid for days, whether you're camping in the wilderness, working remotely, or just relaxing under the stars. It's built for comfort, adventure, and sustainability all in one sleek package. RC12M. The RC12M is a giant luxury motorhome designed to make travel feel like living in a high-end apartment on wheels. It stretches 12 meters long and is built on a strong Volvo FH chassis powered by a 540 horsepower engine, giving it both strength and smooth performance. On the outside, it features 4 huge slide-outs, a massive 7-meter awning, and a spacious rear garage for all your gear. Inside, every detail screams comfort and style. The kitchen is fully equipped with modern appliances and plenty of space for cooking your favorite meals. The bathroom feels like a personal spa, complete with a large shower and top-quality fixtures. The master bedroom offers cozy bedding, great storage, and a peaceful vibe, making it perfect for relaxing after a long day. Whether you're on a road trip or a long adventure, the RC12M combines power, luxury, and practicality to give you the best home-on-the-road experience imaginable. Retreat ERV Hyper. The Retreat ERV Hyper is a modern electric motorhome made for people who want luxury, comfort, and eco-friendly travel all in one. This high-end vehicle runs entirely on electric power, giving you a smooth, quiet, and environmentally friendly ride wherever you go. It's designed for travelers who love adventure, but don't want to give up the feeling of home. Inside, it's packed with smart features and premium comforts. A full kitchen with modern appliances, a cozy living space, and smart home integration that lets you control lighting and temperature with ease. The Retreat ERV Hyper also comes with a powerful battery system that offers an impressive driving range, perfect for long road trips or off-grid getaways. Its sleek design and advanced technology make it both practical and luxurious, offering everything you need for a relaxing and sustainable journey. Depending on your customization options, the Retreat ERV Hyper starts at a premium price, reflecting its top-tier build quality and innovation. It's an ideal choice for modern travelers who want to explore the world in style while caring for the planet. STX2 Pop-Outs Motorhome. The STX2 Pop-Outs Motorhome is a dream come true for travelers who love comfort, space, and freedom on the road. Designed with modern innovation and luxury in mind, this motorhome easily transforms from a sleek, compact vehicle into a spacious home once parked. Thanks to its two pop-out sections, it quickly expands to create a large and inviting living area, perfect for relaxing or entertaining. Inside, you'll find everything you need for a comfortable journey. A cozy bedroom for restful sleep, a stylish bathroom with all the essentials, and a fully equipped kitchen that makes meal preparation easy anywhere you go. The interior feels bright, open, and homely, offering the perfect balance between practicality and luxury. STX Isla Edition 1, Luxury Travel Redefined. The STX Isla Edition 1 is a stunning luxury motorhome designed for people who love to travel in comfort and style. Built by STX Motorhomes, it combines elegant design, modern technology, and top quality materials to create a truly premium experience on wheels. On the outside, it has a sleek, powerful look, built on a strong truck chassis that ensures a smooth and steady ride no matter where your journey takes you. Inside, the Ayla Edition 1 feels like stepping into a moving luxury apartment. It features a cozy lounge with soft leather seats, beautiful lighting, and a full kitchen equipped with modern appliances. The bedroom offers a calm and relaxing space, while the bathroom has a high-end spa-like design with stylish finishes. Every detail, from the furniture to the layout, is crafted with care to provide maximum comfort and convenience. Whether you're exploring new destinations or living on the road, the STX Isla Edition 1 turns every trip into a first-class experience. It's more than just a motorhome. It's your personal luxury home on wheels, designed to make every mile feel like pure comfort and freedom. The Thor Vision vehicle concept is a futuristic electric motorhome designed to change the way we travel. It combines a powerful battery system with a smart fuel cell, giving it an impressive 300-mile range and the ability to stay off-grid for longer adventures. This means you can travel farther while using clean, efficient energy. Its sleek aerodynamic design makes it look modern and helps it move smoothly on the road while saving power. Inside, the Vision vehicle offers a bright, spacious, and cleverly designed interior that feels both comfortable and high-tech. It includes advanced systems for easy navigation, smart energy use, and an overall connected driving experience. Every feature focuses on sustainability, comfort, and innovation, making it perfect for eco-conscious travelers who want luxury and performance in one vehicle. The Timbercraft Big Sky is a stunning tiny home that redefines luxury living in a compact space. Built with expert craftsmanship and high-quality materials, it blends modern design with the cozy charm of natural wood and stone. Despite its size, the Big Sky feels incredibly spacious, offering a full kitchen with everything you need to cook, a comfortable bedroom, and a beautifully designed bathroom that feels like one from a luxury apartment. Every inch of the home is smartly used to provide both style and practicality, making it perfect for everyday living or as a relaxing retreat. The warm interiors, large windows, and open layout create an inviting atmosphere that feels both elegant and homely. Whether you want a permanent residence, a stylish vacation spot, or a mobile luxury cabin, the Timbercraft Big Sky delivers comfort and sophistication in every detail. It's a perfect blend of innovation, craftsmanship, and natural beauty, showing that small living doesn't mean giving up luxury. With prices starting around $150,000, the Big Sky proves that big dreams can fit perfectly into a tiny home. Valentino Rossi's VR46 Motorhome. Valentino Rossi's VR46 Motorhome is a moving palace built for the legendary MotoGP rider's comfort and lifestyle on the road. Based on a strong Mercedes-Benz chassis, this huge vehicle gives Rossi everything he needs to relax between races. The outside looks bold and powerful, showing off his famous VR46 logo and racing number that fans instantly recognize. Inside, it feels like a luxury apartment designed with both comfort and practicality in mind. The living area has soft seating and stylish decor, perfect for resting after long race days. The kitchen is modern, with high-quality appliances and plenty of counter space for preparing meals. The bathroom is sleek and well-designed, featuring a nice shower and elegant fixtures. The bedroom offers a large, cozy bed with custom bedding, giving Rossi the peaceful rest he deserves. Every part of this motorhome reflects his love for speed, style, and quality. Will Smith's motorhome, known as the Heat, is one of the most luxurious and eye-catching RVs ever built. Created by Anderson Mobile Estates, this two-story 22-wheel motorhome cost around $2.5 million and feels more like a rolling mansion than a trailer. Inside, it offers an incredible 1,200 square feet of space packed with Hollywood-style luxury. When parked, the roof lifts to reveal a full second floor with a private movie theater that seats 30 people and features a massive 100-inch screen. The main floor includes a modern kitchen with granite countertops, a stylish lounge, a makeup and wardrobe area, and a high-end bathroom with a glass door that turns opaque at the touch of a button. Everything inside is crafted with premium materials like leather, glass, and stainless steel. The Heat also has 14 TVs, smart tech, and automatic sliding doors that open dramatically. Will Smith used this motorhome on film sets like Men in Black 3 and The Pursuit of Happiness. When not in use, it's available for rent at around $9,000 per week, a true symbol of luxury on wheels, built perfectly for a Hollywood superstar.